How to remove algae from your pool without chemicals. It's a hot summer day and ideal conditions for a swim in the pool, but the water in your pool is green and filled with algae. Swimming in such contaminated water isn't safe, and at the very least it's unpleasant and slimy. Algae is a simple, non-flowering, and typically aquatic plant that thrives in warm, humid, and sunny environments just like your pool. Algae spores can be carried into the pool by the wind or by persons who come into touch with soil and leaves that contain spores. Using chemicals in your pool to get rid of the algae can be a concern and definitely calls for special precautions. Here are several more natural ways to get rid of pool algae and make your pool safer to swim in. 1. Salt. Many individuals use salt instead of chemicals like chlorine to treat their swimming pools. Salt is less expensive, safer, and more natural than chlorine. Salt uses a process called electrolysis to break down dirt and microorganisms. There are many different types of salt-chlorine generators that can be used to add salt to your pool. 2. Orenda water treatment. The phosphate and other nutrients that algae feed on are removed with this natural therapy, thus effectively killing the algae once its food supply is gone. 3. Ionic pool cleaner. This cleaner works by releasing copper and silver into the water, which inhibits bacteria development and kills the algae. 4. Ultraviolet light. Many individuals opt for ozone generators that create ozone using ultraviolet light or electricity. Through a process known as oxidation, the ozone sanitizes the pool and kills the algae. 6. Baking soda. In general, this is an excellent cleaning agent that also works well in swimming pools. Sodium bicarbonate, the primary element in baking soda, breaks up algae and allows you to scrape and clear it out of your pool. It's especially good in getting rid of black algae. 7. Borax. This cleaning agent is a little more controversial, although it is generally regarded as safe. It's especially effective in getting rid of white algae. Borax is a mineral that can be irritating to the skin, yet it is not toxic in any way. As you can see, you have a variety of alternatives for maintaining your pool algae-free versus using harsh pool chemicals. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.